transform still images into talking and singing videos. In the ever-changing world of digital content creation, standing out is more challenging than ever. Today's world of digital content creation is constantly changing, so it is very difficult to keep yourself ahead in this challenging sector. Revio, a groundbreaking AI studio, came forward to help overcome this problem. It is primarily designed to make content creators' task of creating engaging content very easy. This tool not only enhances creativity, but also allows you to create professional videos that engage your audience. In most cases, these videos become popular. In today's review, we will see how it works for review content creators, entrepreneurs, and marketers. What is Revio? Revio is a state-of-the-art AI-powered platform that can convert users from still images or short 5-second clips into dynamic, talking, or singing videos. Revio can help you create viral content in any language and for any platform. If you are an influencer and want to increase your engagement, if you are a business owner and want to attract your customers, or if you are a creative person looking for new tools, this is perfect for you. Key features of Revio. Revio comes with many features that help maximize your creative potential and simplify your workflow. AI-powered video creation. Convert photos to video using Revio tools. Upload any still image or 5-second clip and watch. Revio bring it to life. It allows you to create professional quality videos without expensive equipment. Multi-language and multi-platform. Content can be created in any language to reach a global audience. Using Revio tools, it is now possible to easily create content in any language under various domains, including entertainment, education, e-commerce, or corporate branding. Voice cloning and AI voiceover. Revio tool can be used to create celebrity, voice clones, or realistic voiceovers. Create professional audio for videos, audiobooks, or commercials, without hiring voice actors. Create professional audio, video, audiobooks, without having to hire additional voice actors. Comprehensive AI. Dashboard. Revio tools give users access to more than 90 premium AI models, such as ChatGPT, Canva AI, Midjourney, and Synthesia. Revio's single platform is essential to save the subscription costs of separate AI tools. Advanced creative tools. 8K videos and 4K images can be easily created with advanced creative AI technology. Background removal, color enhancement, and image. Editing can be done using its built-in AI photo studio. Logos, motion videos, and sales funnels can be designed in minutes. Business and income opportunities. It offers free commercial licenses to customers. Use that to sell content on major platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. It is helpful in expanding your business, so you can use it to automate time-consuming tasks like content writing, ad creation, and chatbot deployment. Revio's easy 3-step process. To use. Revio is extremely easy to use and requires no prior experience. Log in to your dashboard. Search. Find the AI models you need, such as create videos or generate logos. Process and profit. Harness the magic of Revio and create great content that you can use to generate revenue or grow your brand. Revio's unique features are as follows. How is Revio different from other AI tools? Here are some of its key aspects. One-time payment model. Where most AI tools require a monthly or yearly subscription, Revio offers a one-time payment model. By paying only one time, you can unlock all its features and use them as per your wish. No hidden costs or monthly payments to worry about here. Universal AI integration. Revio is a platform that allows you to use ChatGPT, Canva AI, Jasper, and many other AI tools together in one dashboard. This frees you from the need to subscribe to separate tools. Versatility across industries. Revio provides users with versatility across industries. It is not only for content creators, but also entrepreneurs, marketers, designers, and students can benefit from using it. With this, you can start online business, can create high-converting sales funnels, can design branding material, can develop AI-powered chatbots. Advanced animation. Revio allows you to create advanced animations. Revio's lip sync technology and realistic movements make your videos more vivid and high quality. Commercial for unlimited income opportunities. License. Revio offers unlimited revenue opportunities to its users. Revio's free commercial license allows you to keep all revenue from the content you create, and in the case of sales of video, voiceover, or written content, you keep all your profits. Real-life uses of Revio. Revio can be used for several tasks. Social media content creation. It can be used to create engaging videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Business marketing. It can be used to CRR.